is our third video. Thank you for all the support. We plan to make a custom-built Lego cargo ship. This build will take probably 2 weeks from now. We will be updating you as soon as possible.
Please support us and by giving us donations, and please donate Robux. Username Jim778, my name Kimmy, and please smash the like button. Also, have a good day from now.